Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we'll provide you with a complete guide on how to prevent anyone from commenting on your TikTok videos. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have full control over the comments section of your TikTok content. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the TikTok app on your device. Step 2. Tap on the profile icon located in the bottom drawer. This will take you to your TikTok profile. Step 3. In the top right corner, you'll see 3 stacked lines. Tap on those lines to access the TikTok menu. Step 4. From the menu, select Settings and Privacy. Step 5. Within the Settings and Privacy section, tap on Privacy. Step 6. Scroll down to find the Interactions category and tap on Comments. Step 7. You'll see Comments again. Tap on it. Step 8. Finally, select No One. By following these simple steps, you can prevent anyone from commenting on your TikTok videos. This feature allows you to have complete control over your content and create a more private TikTok experience. We understand that some users prefer to limit comments on their videos for various reasons, and this guide will help you achieve that. Remember, you can always adjust your settings later if you decide to allow comments. Thank you for watching and enjoy creating TikTok videos in a comment-free environment.